Hello everyone and welcome. In this video, we are going to explore the AI Engineer Roadmap for 2026 and the complete learning path to build a successful career in artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is transforming almost every industry today, from software development and healthcare to finance, e-commerce, and autonomous vehicles. According to industry reports, the global AI market is expected to reach more than $407 billion by 2027, creating massive demand for AI professionals. This rapid growth means companies are actively looking for AI engineers, machine learning engineers, and AI generalists who can design intelligent systems. So if you are wondering how to become an AI engineer in 2026, this video will give you a clear step-by-step roadmap from beginner to advanced. Let's break this journey into 7 essential steps. The first step in the AI Engineer Roadmap is learning programming. The most important programming language for artificial intelligence is Python. Python has become the industry standard for AI because it is simple to learn, highly readable, and supported by a powerful ecosystem of machine learning libraries. Some of the most widely used Python libraries include NumPy for numerical computing, Pandas for data analysis, and scikit-learn for machine learning algorithms. However, learning Python alone is not enough. To become a strong AI engineer, you must also understand data structures and algorithms. These include concepts such as arrays, lists, trees, graphs, and hash maps. You should also practice problem solving and logical thinking because AI engineers spend a lot of time optimizing algorithms and debugging systems. Once you build a strong programming foundation, you are ready for the next step. The second step in the AI learning roadmap is data science. Data is the foundation of artificial intelligence. Before building intelligent models, you must understand how to collect, analyze, and interpret data. Important tools in this stage include Pandas and NumPy for data manipulation, and visualization libraries like Matplotlib and Seaborn. One key skill here is exploratory data analysis, also known as EDA. This involves analyzing datasets to identify patterns, relationships, and trends. Another critical skill is data cleaning. In real-world projects, datasets often contain missing values, duplicates, or outliers. AI engineers must know how to preprocess data, normalize datasets, and transform raw information into structured data suitable for machine learning. You should also learn the basics of statistics and probability, which form the mathematical backbone of AI systems. The third step in the AI roadmap is machine learning. Machine learning allows computers to learn from data and make predictions without being explicitly programmed. There are 2 main types of machine learning you should understand. The first is supervised learning. In supervised learning, algorithms are trained on labeled data to predict outcomes. For example, machine learning can be used for spam detection, credit scoring, or predicting house prices. Some common supervised learning algorithms include linear regression, support vector machines, and random forests. The second type is unsupervised learning. In this approach, algorithms identify patterns in data without predefined labels. This technique is often used for customer segmentation, anomaly detection, and clustering tasks. Popular algorithms include k-means clustering and principal component analysis. Machine learning forms the core of most modern AI applications. The fourth step in the AI Engineer Roadmap is deep learning. Deep learning powers many of the most advanced AI technologies we see today. It is based on neural networks, which are inspired by the structure of the human brain. These networks contain multiple layers that allow machines to detect complex patterns in data. Deep learning is widely used in 2 important fields. The first is computer vision, which allows machines to understand images and videos. Applications include image recognition, object detection, and facial recognition systems. The second major area is natural language processing, also known as NLP. This field focuses on enabling machines to understand and generate human language. Modern AI systems like ChatGPT use deep learning architectures such as transformers to process natural language. Other well-known models include GPT and BERT, which have significantly advanced AI capabilities. The fifth step in your AI journey is building projects. Projects are one of the most important parts of learning artificial intelligence. They allow you to apply theoretical knowledge to real-world problems and build a strong portfolio. One beginner-friendly project is creating an AI chatbot that can answer questions or assist users. Another powerful project idea is building a recommendation system similar to what companies like Netflix and Amazon use to recommend content and products. More advanced learners can build projects like AI image generators or intelligent automation tools. Working on projects helps you move from learning concepts to building real AI solutions. The sixth step is learning professional AI frameworks. Frameworks allow developers to build and deploy AI models much faster. Two of the most widely used deep learning frameworks are TensorFlow and PyTorch. TensorFlow is widely used in production environments and large-scale AI systems. PyTorch is popular among researchers and developers because it provides flexibility and an intuitive development experience. If you are interested in building applications using large language models, you should also explore LangChain. Frameworks like these help developers create powerful AI applications efficiently. The seventh and final step in the AI engineer roadmap is building a strong portfolio. Your portfolio demonstrates your skills to potential employers and increases your chances of landing an AI job. A good starting point is maintaining an active profile on GitHub. You should upload your AI projects, document your code, and explain the problem each project solves. A strong AI portfolio typically includes 3 to 5 working projects, clean code repositories, and live demos or deployed applications. You can also contribute to open-source AI projects, which helps you gain real development experience and collaborate with other developers. If you follow this roadmap consistently, your career path in artificial intelligence may look like this. You start as a beginner, learning programming and data science fundamentals. Next, you become a developer, building machine learning projects and experimenting with AI tools. Then you grow into an AI engineer, designing and deploying intelligent systems. Eventually, with enough experience, you can move into roles like AI architect, where you design large-scale AI platforms for organizations. Artificial intelligence is one of the most exciting and high-growth career fields of this decade. With continuous learning and hands-on practice, anyone can build a successful career in AI. Start learning today, build projects, and never stop exploring new technologies. Thank you for watching.